Hello children, today we will learn about the great northern plains. The northern plain lies to the south of Himalayan region. It is also called the Gangetic Plain. It is a vast plain and level land between the Himalayas in the north and Deccan Plateau in the south. The rivers originating from the Himalayas flow through the northern plains, which are very fertile. In this plain, finely graded soil is deposited on the river banks, which is called alluvium and is good for crops. The northern plains extend for about 2500 km south of the Himalayas and vary in width from 150 to 300 meter. It stretches across the states of Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal and Assam. Three important rivers, the Satluj, Ganga and Brahmaputra, flow through the northern plains. The area through which they flow is called a basin. Therefore, the plains are divided into three basins. The river Satluj and its tributary, the river Beas, flows across Punjab and then join the river Indus in Pakistan. They are a boon to the people of Punjab, as this region does not receive much rain. With the construction of the Bhakra Nangal Dam on the river Satluj, farmers now obtain water and electricity. Wheat, rice, cotton and sugarcane are grown with the help of irrigation. Originating from the Gangotri Glacier in the Himalayas, the river Ganga flows across the northern plains. Its numerous tributaries, the Yamuna, the Kosi, the Gandak, the Ghagra, the Gomti, the Chambal, the Son and the Damodar, in its various courses, join it. Many important towns are situated along the river. As there is plenty of water available and the soil is rich, many crops like jute, rice, wheat and sugarcane grow well here. The Ganga Plain is the most densely populated region due to these reasons. Amazing fact! The Kosi River is known as the sorrow of Bihar, as it brings destruction to the nearby areas by causing floods. Before entering the Bay of Bengal, the river Ganga forms the largest and the most fertile delta in the world, called the Sundarban Delta. Do you know? The Sundarban is also the home to wild animals such as the Royal Bengal tiger and crocodiles. The river rises in Tibet, where it is known as the Sangpo. It then flows eastwards and enters India, flowing first through the state of Arunachal Pradesh and then to Assam before joining the river Ganga in Bangladesh. The Brahmaputra flows through hilly areas, eroding the rocks and then depositing the soil when in flood. This soil is extremely fertile and helps in the growth of jute and rice. Tea is also a very important crop of the area. India has the greatest fertile land in the world. Punjab is also known as the land of five rivers, that is, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas and Satluj, which are the tributaries of the river Indus. The important cities located here are Amritsar, Ludhiana and Jalandhar. Uttar Pradesh is one of the largest and the most populous states of India. The Ganga and some of its tributaries like the Yamuna, Gomti, etc. flow through the state, providing fertile soil to the plains. Varanasi, Lucknow, Kanpur, Agra and Meerut are some of the important cities. Bihar is a part of the fertile northern plains and its capital Patna is an important historical city. West Bengal is also a part of the fertile plain and is thickly populated. The two important cities of this state are Kolkata and Darjeeling, which is famous for its tea. The river Brahmaputra flows through Assam and has proved to be a great boon as it has made the region very fertile. The important cities of this state are Dispur and Guwahati. Let us summarize. The northern plains lie to the south of the Himalayas. The greatest fertile plain of the world extends from Punjab to Assam. These are formed by three rivers, the Satluj, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra. Most of the rivers in the northern plains are perennial. The fertile plains are thickly populated, and the major crops grown in the plains are wheat, rice, sugarcane, and jute. Tea is grown in West Bengal and Assam.